Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the back cover on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray, then the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heat gun. Carefully work around on the edges and apply heat to soften the glue on the back cover. Alternatively, you can use a heat pad or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic upright tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, take out the broken back cover and place the new back cover with the camera lens. If you need to place the original camera lens, you can always take it out and install on the back cover with adhesive. There are two different replacement parts available for this repair. You can select the back cover with the camera lens or without the camera lens. Select the required back cover and place the back cover with adhesive. The replacement back cover comes with adhesive, otherwise you can use B7000 glue on the edges. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.